Okay, is this a perfect square trinomial? So we need to make it a perfect square trinomial, part of it. So we need to figure out what C should be to make it a perfect square. So again, remember, C is equal to B divided by 2 squared. Which value here is B? Negative 12. Negative 12 divided by 2 squared. What's negative 12 divided by 2? Negative 6. What's negative 6 times negative 6? Positive 36, okay? So let's rewrite this. Y equals x squared minus 12x plus 36, take away 36, right? Take away 3. I still have that minus 3. Okay, so what's the next step here? I need to get rid of the negative 36. So 1 times negative 36 is negative 36. So I have x squared minus 12x plus 36. And then I've distributed out the negative 36 minus 3. Let's do the factoring part first. What are the factors? How do I write x squared minus 12x plus 36 in factored form? So it'd be x minus 6 times x minus 6. Let's just simplify it to x minus 6 squared, right? You can skip that step and just simplify it. And then negative 36 take away 3 is, so there you go, that's it. What is the vertex then? Positive 6. Some of you messed this up on your test. And negative 39. The sign's opposite for the x value of the vertex, but it's the same sign for the y value of the vertex. Okay, so we're going to factor out the greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor here? Not including the x, because we need to keep it as x squared. So let's just factor out the greatest common factor. Just the numerical part would be 2. So this would be x squared plus 4x, right? Okay, this represents the same thing. We need to find C. So we have y equals 2 bracket x squared plus 4x plus, we need to figure out what C is. So again, C is equal to B divided by 2 squared. What's B? 4 divided by 2. What's 4 divided by 2? 2. 2 squared is 4. Okay, so C is 4, but what do I have to do if I'm adding 4 to the equation so it doesn't change? I have to take away 4. Okay, so I only want this part in my bracket. So here, this is what I was trying to show you before, I need to distribute 2 times negative 4. To get that outside of the bracket, I have to multiply it by the number in front of the bracket. Okay, so we have y equals 2. Inside my bracket is the x squared plus 4x plus 4. And what's going to be outside my bracket? Negative 8. Good, because 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So y equals 2. What are the factors of, how do I write this perfect square trinomial in factored form? X plus 2 squared, because it's going to be x plus 2 times x plus 2, and then I have my minus 8. Therefore, where is the vertex located? Negative 2 and negative 8. What's the a value in this one? 2, which means that is it going to compress or stretch? Stretch. And is it going to open up or down? Is it going to have a maximum or minimum? Minimum. Sweet.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.